Hi everyone, welcome to our amazing automotive products channel. Today video is about
automotive body kits.
Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to get latest videos from our amazing channel.
Jeep has always been blessed with a spirit of adventure. Once you own one, there's no limit to where it can take you. At Rugged Ridge, that adventurous spirit is at the heart of everything we do. We've developed thousands of accessories for Jeeps, including yours. Your Jeep, your adventure. Rugged Ridge.
Easy Lip is the original universal spoiler lip that provides optimal performance and durability. Its flexible design molds to the shape of virtually any vehicle. Easy peel and stick installation allows it to be attached in minutes with no drilling, screws, or special tools required. Quality 3M automotive tape easily endures all climates, car washes, and high speeds. Easy Lip is designed to protect your paint from driveways, speed bumps, and curbs. It's compatible on the front, sides, or rear of most vehicles and will lower your car by up to 1 inch. Easy Lip is designed to absorb impacts that otherwise would damage your bumper, potentially saving you hundreds if not thousands of dollars on cosmetic repairs. Talk about strength. When installed properly, the 3M tape is as strong as using screws and can easily last for years to come. We've put Easy Lip through speed tests up to 180 miles per hour, power wash tests, and pull tests. Whether you're using a pressure washer or a brush, the Easy Lip will hold on strong when you need to give your car a wash. We admit the Easy Lip is not indestructible, but we can confidently say that Easy Lip is the original universal spoiler lip that provides its flexible design molds to the shape of virtually any vehicle. Minutes with no drilling, screws, or special tools required. Climates, car washes, and high speeds. It's compatible on the front side car by up to 1 inch. Easy Lip is potentially saving you hundreds if not thousands of dollars on cosmetic repairs. The 3M tape is as strong as using screws. We've put Easy Lip through speed tests up to 180 miles per hour, power wash tests, and pull tests. Whether you're on strong, Easy Lip is not indestructible, but we can confidently say that Easy Lip is 100% made in the USA with top quality materials. You generally need one roll per side of your vehicle.